Want to make money while AI does the work for you? Imagine generating passive income, starting a side hustle, or even replacing your job, all with the power of AI. Sounds crazy, right? But trust me, it's 100% real, and I'll show you exactly how in this video. AI is changing the game. It's no longer just for big tech companies. Anyone can use AI to make money. Whether you're a beginner or a pro, I'm going to show you 5 AI side hustles you can start right now and earn from. First up, AI-powered content writing and blogging. With tools like ChatGPT and Claude AI, you can create blog posts, articles, and even ebooks in minutes. How to make money. Start a Medium blog and get paid through the Medium Partner Program. Sell articles on Fiverr or Upwork as a freelance writer. Create content for businesses, websites, or newsletters. Next up, AI-powered faceless YouTube channels. Don't want to show your face? No problem. AI tools like Pictory, Runway ML, and Descript can generate videos for you. How to make money. Use AI-generated scripts and voiceovers to create automated YouTube videos. Monetize with YouTube, ads, and affiliate marketing. Reuse the same content on TikTok, Instagram, Reels, and Facebook Shorts. Not a designer? No worries. AI tools like Leonardo AI, Midjourney, and Canva AI let you create amazing designs without any skills. How to make money. Sell AI-generated logos and graphics on Fiverr, Etsy, and 99 Designs. Offer AI-powered social media design packages. Sell AI-generated artwork as NFTs. Businesses pay thousands for high-converting ads and sales pages. With Jasper AI and ChatGPT, you can create killer ad copy in seconds and sell it. How to make money. Write Facebook and Google ads for e-commerce brands. Create email marketing sequences for businesses. Offer AI-powered ad copy services on Fiverr. Finally, you can build AI-powered chatbots for businesses using tools like BotPress, ManyChat, and ChatGPT API. How to make money. Set up AI chatbots for businesses and e-commerce stores. Charge a monthly subscription fee for maintenance offer. Custom chatbot solutions for customer service. Now that you know 5 ways to make money with AI, which one are you going to try first? Let me know in the comments.